Okay, trying out the new Sim35. What we have here is sections 1 through 6, 3.7, 3 pounds. And then you add the 6.7, and you can lift it up and see how stiff it is. Pretty cool, huh? And I can add another 26 feet.
Really?
Go up 61 feet, which would probably get to the top of that, because this is 35 feet.
How good would that clean it though?
Huh?
How good would that?
Perfect.
Really?
Yeah, I do Trader Joe's every 2 weeks. Use water-fed system, 0 water. It's how they normally do it, you know. He says they like to give it to everybody that doesn't live in town. I lived in town here for 8 years. Been after this job.
You got everybody on the 3rd floor freaking out.
Yeah.
So
But-
that you add on this side.
I have another 4 links
Okay.
that are high mod
Bottom side.
Kevlar.
Make it heavy for you to,
Come here and try.
not that heavy.
Remember, it's high mod carbon fiber. It's stuff they make the B-1 bomber out of. You'll be surprised.
Oh wow.
5 pounds, maybe 6 pounds. And you got to remember, when you're up high, you leave it on the window. You see, and I made it high enough that I could almost reach that, because I had 8-foot sections at one time and they were just too high, and I can reach them all now. But you can see how stiff that is. You know, I mean, look at, there's like no bend in that. See, the Oppo would bend and actually hit the window.
Right.
But with the high mod, it doesn't do that. Plus with these clamps, you see, I'm short, and then I got O-rings on them
So make them.
to protect them. Plus, it's sturdy enough that I could bring it all the way down. Oh, I've been designing these for 11 years, just trying to get them sewed. See, the coolest thing is this short pole. Now try this one. This is like 3 pounds. It's unbelievable how light that is. And yet it goes up almost, well, 20, 22 feet at a 6-foot person, almost 28 feet.
That's cool. Good pull for.
I'm trying to figure out other
Use
markets.
them for light pole.
That, use them, fire department, anybody changing light bulbs. The problem is they hit $875 because it's carbon fiber,
Yes.
you know, and it's expensive.
Yeah.
But for window cleaning, you know, I'll probably get a patent on the
Yeah,
clamps
you
too.
probably get, you know.
See,
One window job will pay for a pole.
yeah, I do City of Prescott. You see how short that is? You see, that's what's nice about this pole. It collapses, made it short enough.
Oh,
to-
it's good enough to go in a pickup truck or
Oh yeah,
car.
yeah, and you can use the whole thing on the bottom without dropping sections. What I figured out at Trader Joe's, the majority of time, I was only using like 9 feet of a pole. Now feel that.
Oh yeah.
You know, that's like 1 pound now. And then you have to add the brush to it. And then I got to get a patent. I just designed these clamps. Eventually they're going to hold the hose, but they don't hurt your hand. You know, I used to use, what do you call it, rescue tape and make a gasket, but I figured I'll just use these, get some, you can get thicker rubber gaskets, right? Yeah. Just enough so it doesn't really pinch your hand.
Yeah, there you go.
Got it all designed and made in China because it's too expensive. I used to get them made in North Carolina, but I just couldn't afford them anymore.
So, you
I got plastic bottoms on them.
You can use this to change lights?
Yeah,
look
I
like
can make a cheap
look
version.
like my fishing pole, man.
Oh, it would make a good fishing pole. They
So
use them.
it's a little tighter.
Well, I started off with fishing poles. My first poles in 2007 were fishing poles, carbon fiber fishing
Yeah.
poles. You know, and then I finally graduated after about $50,000 worth of designs into this final high mod 3K design. So
Cool.
we'll see what happens with it. Simple.
Who sent you over here to check out this building?
I did.
Oh.
Simple, innovative, multi-level pole. Yeah, 'cause I've been after him to, you know, that one guy retired, and I don't know who does it now, but, you know, look at all the stains, you know. The fun part is that front foyer on the inside. See, I designed a vacuum cleaner, so as I use this water-fed pole, it will suck the water off on the inside. And you don't have to do it. The guys normally use the water fed on the inside, but then they have all the mess, you know. So
Hey, Bill. Yeah. I checked the video and it is on there.
Yeah, I checked that hole in there, and it's on that.
It looks like there is both sizes.
Oh yeah, they use it on the.
Go ahead.